Every company needs a clear and accurate picture of their inventory, and there is no more insightful and intuitive solution than RF Smart. As a native Built-for-NetSuite solution, RF Smart is an inventory management system that offers improved accuracy and visibility into inventory levels. Empowering you to automate processes across your operations, RF Smart cuts down on manual data entry and the errors that can arise from it. RF Smart increases your workers' productivity by guiding them to precise locations and prompting them to complete designated tasks, all of which are based on industry best practices. From receiving and putaway, to manufacturing, to managing fulfillments, to performing cycle counts while you pick, to packing and shipping, to retail operations, RF Smart's inventory management solution scales with you to manage your supply chain as you grow. We are focused on providing best-in-class inventory solutions, hardware, and support. It's what we do. How do we know RF Smart or NetSuite works? More than 1,000 customers around the globe are already using it to automate processes, maximize workforce productivity, and improve supply chain ROI. RF Smart. Your supply chain. Mobile. Accurate. Real time. Learn more and request a demo at rfsmart.com or info@rfsmart.com.